You know, it's been a while since I did a dessert drink. This one ranks right up there with the grasshopper, right up there with the pink squirrel. This is called the Nuts and Berries cocktail. The Nuts and Berries cocktail is tremendous. It involves 3 ingredients, very simple to make, and yet it is fantastic. And we start off with Chambord. This is a black raspberry liqueur. We're going to use 1 part of that, which my 1 part is going to be 1.5 ounces. Next would be Frangelico. Not only is it a cool bottle, it is a hazelnut liqueur that tastes fantastic. It comes from Italy, and we're going to be using 1 part of that as well, so that's 1.5 ounces of our Frangelico. Finally, you want to use 2 parts of a heavy cream. That would be 3 ounces. If you're not crazy about all the fat or thickness that comes with a heavy cream, you can use a 50/50. You can even get away with milk, but I wouldn't recommend it. I would rather do like a cream or a 50/50 instead. Those 3 ingredients are all you need. Throw some ice in there and give it a really good shake till that tin gets nice and frosty on the outside. And we're just going to strain it into a chilled glass. And personally, I like to garnish it with a few raspberries or any kind of seasonal berry is a nice touch. Isn't that just a gorgeous drink? I mean, look at it. It's just, I love it. The presentation is great. The taste is great. Even though the hazelnut is a little more dominant than the black raspberry, there's still enough there to really give you this little tiny bit of tart up front, the sweetness up front, and it finishes with that hazelnut. Truly an amazing dessert drink. If you like something sweet, this could be for you. I don't know about you, but I think that's a fantastic drink. And if you do as well, then I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below. The bell icon will notify you when I post more drinks. Remember, if this idiot can do it, so can you.